The name is Flamboyant Lifestyle, aka what? Mankind. Today I'm going to show you what you can do so that you can reach your dreams very faster, or anything that you really want to achieve in life. If you watch this video, you are going to do it, depending on your situation or your mindset, because everything happens in the mind, and everything that you really want to do, it starts with the mind before the body wants to react. All you have to do is just to take a piece of paper, any paper that is available. Don't use pen, just use pencil. Just write anything that you really want to achieve, anything that you really want. Maybe if you want marriage, if you want a new job, if you want to set up a business, write everything that you really want to achieve. And also write what is preventing you to get all those things that you need beside it. So when you finish writing all those things, make sure that everything that you really need or anything that you really wanted to have it, or maybe a job or setting up a business, write all of them. After that, look at those things, what you really want to achieve or what you really want to do. Look at it, be reciting it every day. Do it 3, 7, 9. In the morning, recite it 3 times. In the evening, recite it 9 times. In the afternoon, recite it 7 times. Do it every day. The more you do it, it has some consciousness in it. It will subduce in your subconscious. So anytime you see it or anytime you remember about it, you can do what you really have to do. And also you have to let your fear behind. Fear has let so many people lag behind, and also fear has made so many people not to achieve what they really want to achieve. So use this 3, 7, 9 so that everything that you need, you can do it, you can get it. If you've not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please subscribe. Flambo be my name. Love.